So yeah, this is number 4 for Lyres.
Wow. And love their bottle design as always. This got a cool, like, jaguar-y thing with a, looks like an aviator. It's a Coffee Original. Is this supposed to be an alternative to Kahlua?
I'm not sure what it is, but it's...
I thought I saw that mentioned on the site.
But coffee is one of my favorite all-time drinks ever, so I'm really excited to try this.
Now, it's curious that you're not doing like a Kahlua and cream kind of thing.
That would have been good, but no, we're not.
Okay. We're going to do...
We're going to do a, coffee espresso martini instead.
All right.
Or I'm not sure what no, this is more like a coffee tonic is what we're doing.
Okay.
And let's try this on its own first. Well, that's strong.
I don't think we've really had a coffee drink yet, have we?
No. Yeah.
It looks like coffee. Smells
just like coffee syrup.
Well, that's sweet.
That is the thing with Lyres. They often put more sugar in their concoctions than I personally would do. It's good. It's coffee syrup. It's got a nice espresso flavor.
Doesn't have the thickness of a Kahlua though.
So he's using soda water. I'm going to use Elderflower tonic and make myself a coffee tonic.
Whoa.
Well, that was fun.
That was very bubbly.
A little stir.
You get the props on the the foamy top.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's good. Use a little bit more. I like the zinginess with the sweetness of the syrup.
Okay. Fine.
That's good. I think I would even do like a little bit of lime juice in here too, just to make it a little bit more tangy. I feel like it needs it to cut through some of that sweetness. I'm going to eat some of these Japanese crackers. It's refreshing.
I was nervous about doing coffee with elderflower tonic water, but let's...
I like it. It works well together in my head and for my palate.
It kind of gives the bitter that you would expect from a good coffee. Yeah.
Yep, I like it. It's refreshing.
Yeah, especially given how sweet the drink is, it's nice to get that. That bitter makes it more coffee-like.
Yeah, and if we had a little bit of lime, it would boost that. Yep. All right. I will have to experiment more with this one.
Yeah.
What Kahlua drink though? Like, I've never really been into Kahlua, so.
Kahlua and cream is kind of the one. Kahlua and coffee drinks. Kahlua coffee is a big thing. Do you want to say anything about Lyre's having like how many flavors do they have now? Like
over 20.
Really?
They have an enormous catalog of spirits. They have like 4 different types of their tequila, and they have different types of their whiskeys.
They have the absinthe was pretty trippy.
That was
like
a good
triple
one.
sec.
Triple sec is one of my favorites from them. Gosh, they've got spritzes, they've got all kinds of things, so it's gonna take a while to get through all of Lyre's catalog. They have a lot.
But so far,
I mean, I probably wouldn't order the absinthe again. That was special. That was unique. It's on my bar still. I haven't gone back to make myself a drink.
Yeah.
I'm definitely going to be making a lot with this though, because I love coffee.
Contains natural flavors and infused coffee. I wonder what that means.
I have no idea.
Like, as in, does this have caffeine? Is it going to jack you up?
That is a good question.
It may be harder for an egg to become a bird, but it would be harder for it to learn to fly while remaining an egg. Okay, thank you for those words of wisdom. Lyres, it's been delicious. Drinkability.
Oh yeah, this is definitely an 8 for me.
Yeah. And then price.
Oh, they're usually around 32 to 36. I cannot remember how much I paid. I got off of Better Roads.
Great. Salute.
Yep, that's tasty.